Hey kids, isn't it a lovely day? Let's list all the little things we love. Splashing different colors, mix them up in a paint book. Making faces in the mirror, laughing at how we look. Putting on my favorite pair of shoes, hopping around like kangaroos. These are some of the little things we love. Some things may seem silly, but when we remember them later, we miss those times. Trying to catch the sunlight streaming through the windows. Looking at the sky and pointing out all the UFOs. Putting on my favorite pair of shoes, hopping around like kangaroos. These are some of the little things we love. We forget so many things we had fun doing, so I always write them up in my little diary. Cutting out the pictures from our favorite magazines. Dipping soap in water, pretending they're little submarines. Putting on my favorite pair of shoes, hopping around like kangaroos. These are some of the little things we love. Did you enjoy my list of things I love? Do write me your favorite little things. Bye-bye!